Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today on Kawaii Crafts, I'm going to be showing you how to make this Starshine necklace from Super Mario Sunshine. Now I'm super excited for the new Mario 3D All-Stars game that is coming out. I have played 2 out of the 3 games. The one I haven't played is Mario Sunshine, so that's what I'm most excited for. As soon as I heard the announcement from Nintendo, I went out and I put a pre-order on the game right away. So you best know that right now, while you guys are watching this, I'm probably going to pick it up or be playing it. Okay guys, so let's get into the craft.
The materials you'll need are some gold clay, black clay, a sharp edge, I'll be using this tool, some smoothing tools, a paintbrush, Mod Podge or some UV resin. I'll be using UV resin, so I'm also going to be using the silicone mat that's down there. You'll need a jewelry finding, a necklace piece, and since I'm doing a UV resin for the glaze, I will also be using my UV resin light. So first you're going to take a larger piece of gold clay, roll it out, and then flatten it into like a dome shape like that. Then take a smaller piece of clay, roll it out into a snake, wrap that around the dome shape, and then close the ends. Once you have that placed, go ahead and smooth out the edges. Next, I'm going to take 8 smaller balls of gold clay, roll one end to create a point. Again, you'll need 8 of those. Once those are all shaped, go ahead and take your smooth edge. I'm bending mine to give it a sort of like a circle shape there, and cut them all to around the same size. Then you can begin placing that around the dome shape you just created. So you're going to go north, south, east, west, northwest, southwest, northeast, and southeast. Try to make them as even as possible. Once they're placed the way you like them, go ahead and take your smoothing tools and smooth out the edges. This will make it flush to the piece you already created, but also provide a connection so when you bake it, it bakes together. You're going to need 3 more smaller balls of gold clay. Roll them out and make them into small dome shapes. And then you're going to place them on the top 3 points that you just made. You need 3 of them. Once those are placed, go ahead and again smooth them out. And finally, you're going to take 2 small balls of black clay, roll them into oval shapes, and then press those to the center of your piece. Now that your Starshine is ready to go ahead and pick it up. I have to scrape mine off because I'm using a tile. Place it on a baking tray and bake it in the oven at 275 for 15 minutes. Once that cools down, go ahead and give it your glaze. I'm using resin, but Mod Podge works just as well. Once you have your piece completely dry, go ahead and glue on your jewelry finding. Again, I'm using UV resin. Once you're complete with that, go ahead and add your necklace and you're done.
That's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you tune back next Friday for the next Kawaii Crafts. Bye!
Oh, and one more thing. If you guys would like to purchase this or maybe one of the other crafts that I create, go ahead and check me out on etsy.com/kawaiibrick.